Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the file system error 1073741521 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. Type Y in keyboard and press enter. The volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. Next, copy and paste it one by one. Press enter. After getting these commands done, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.